Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to be doing a brand new recipe. I found it on the internet. I've never made it before, so I am going to change it up a little bit, but it's going to be a shipwreck. Honestly, no, that's what the recipe is called, a shipwreck dinner. So, sounds good? We'll get to cooking, so hang on. Alright y'all, here's everything that's going to be in the recipe for the shipwreck. Sharp cheddar cheese, mac and cheese mix. The original recipe called for just ground hamburger. I'm going to use a mild Italian sausage just because I want extra flavor. I know. Peas, carrots, and petite diced tomatoes. Called for frozen with the corn and the peas. I don't care for frozen vegetables. I prefer the canned ones myself. So we got the canned ones. And we got some milk. So first things off, we're going to get that sausage opened up and we're going to get that browning. So I'll get that going and we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, got that sausage all browned up and chopped up there in nice little pieces. Now the next thing it says to do is to take your mac and cheese, not spill it all over your stove. Dump that in, take the seasoning pack, sprinkle that over it, 1 cup of milk, the can of tomatoes with the juice, and then 1 cup each of the corn and the peas. So take that. It says to mix it all up. Actually looks fairly decent. My pasta back here. We're going to save that pasta. So love having a flat top stove, so alright. Now it says to reduce the heat or bring it to a simmer. So I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit. Or it says to bring it to a boil, I'm sorry. And then when it comes to a boil, reduce your heat to medium low and cover it and let it simmer about 12 minutes. So when it does that, I'm gonna do all that, and we'll bring y'all back in just a few. Alright y'all, it's been about 12 minutes. So take the lid off here. Yeah, the noodles look like they're fairly done. So they've absorbed most of the liquid. So yeah, looking good. Looking good. So now it says calls for a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Put half of it in it, melt it, and use the other half to top. So we're gonna estimate. What the hell? We'll put the whole cup in there. We got extra. We can. It ain't easy being cheesy, so we're gonna just go ahead and let that be cheesy. That was a sharp cheddar cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want. That's one thing nice about this recipe. It even said in the description down at the bottom, tips, cooking tips, I guess you want to call it, that if you wanted to swap out turkey for this, that's fine. Sausage, any kind of cheese you wanted. So I like the sharp cheddar, so I'm gonna turn the heat off. This is melty, so let's get a bowl and we'll do a little taste test. Alright, y'all. See me cooking it? Now we're going to taste it. So, that's really good. Really hot. Really good. Of course, beverage of the day. I have some coffee. Feel like I should be having rum. Shipwreck. Pirates. I don't know. Good as always. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed that. I hope you're going to try it. If you do try it, let me know. Tell me how you think you would change it up. Another thing down in the suggestions of the recipe, it said that you could use Rotella tomatoes with chilies in it. That actually sounds really good too. But I think I would use a Mexican blend cheese instead of just a sharp cheddar. But hey, maybe next time. So never know. It's one thing nice about these recipes. You can change them up any way you want to. So appreciate you all watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Not only do you get the good, delicious cooking videos, you get the garage videos where we work on the pulling tractors, cars, trucks, lawnmowers, push mowers, riding mowers. You know, anything we can get a wrench on, we work on. So, do really appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Sunday live streams, 7 p.m. every Sunday, Eastern time. Come on in, hang out, chat, talk about the cooking. We'll talk about the mechanical stuff. Shoot the breeze, see what's going on. Talk about the other, I have a lot of other channels that come on. We'll just have a really good time. I really do appreciate it. Appreciate them, and we'll catch you all on the next one. As always, bon appetit.